For today's learning work, we're going to start looking at the 1920s, which is the time period that happened right after World War I, leading up into the Great Depression. And the first thing that you guys should be aware of is that it was called the Roaring Twenties. And so you can kind of start to make some guesses or some brainstorm some ideas as to why it would have been called the Roaring Twenties. Or you can just Google it. Just be careful with the Google machine. But there was also a bunch of things in the 1920s that weren't so great, and so there was also kind of a dark side to it. For today's learning work, you're going to open up this reading for the dark side of the 1920s, and you're going to read it. And then as you read it, you're going to be answering these reading questions that you're going to upload into your Great Depression learning work. And as I said in class, we're going to start turning these in on a more frequent basis. So please make sure that you have this completed for class on Friday. As always, if you have questions, let me know or send me a Schoology message.